I got faces I don't let see the sun. I try to hide the dark side. You say I changed, you give up, you're done. But this ain't new to me. I thought you could be the one who loved my ugly. Lucky, lucky girl, thought I found someone who loved me. Monsters and all.
Thought I could do it. Met the girl of my dreams, and where she gone, was getting used to it. Tell the truth, something going on, she just wanna say my name till the ceiling. No, no, she ain't the same little girl that her mama raised. No, she got a couple faces I don't recognize. She been around these places I don't recognize. Where you from, girl? Where you coming from? What kind of angle are you working on? Where you from, girl? Where you coming from? What kind of angle are you working on? Oh, said I'm a fucking nobody, no good attitude kind of guy. Thought you knew that. Oh, seem to be the downright good girl. Wild side only when the trick is right. Whoa, oh, only when the drink is right. Oh, oh, oh. Right, I can do it, no, 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 two-faced, I am with you, bending, love, making sing. Now, two-faced, I am with you, bending, love. I've been away a bit too long sometimes. I think I've gone just a bit too far sometimes. I don't really like to talk. Sounds like I like to talk sometimes. How I come across sometimes. But when I leave the house, never on my own. Even when I'm on my own, sometimes voices in my head, sometimes I never know. Well, I don't know my role sometimes. Well, I don't know my soul sometimes. I let it go. Oh, 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 oh. That's why I need your help sometimes. I never know.